What's up, you guys? So today I'm at a car show. Well, we're looking at cars. I just lost my family. Okay, so we gonna look at this Corvette right here. What up, guy? I'm taking a picture. Look at this Corvette right here, okay? Let's fly. Tight. And this Corvette over here. Hold up, car. Look at the angles. Ooh. I'm recording a video. Ooh, that car fire. That's a Corvette.
Show it to your friends.
And we got this truck right here. I don't know what this truck called. It's called, I don't know.
That's a monster truck.
And this car, this truck is fire.
That's a monster truck.
This looks like, this is a Corvette. This is Corvette right here. Corvette. This looks like a Snoop Dogg car. Oh, we got this goofy car right here. It look like a, what the? It's a cartoon car. It's a cartoon car. Look at that. Cartoon car. Like one of those goofy cars. That fire too. Ooh, I wanna go down there though. So we got this car right here. Is that a Ferrari? Is that a Ferrari? Say in the comments, is that a Ferrari? I don't know. Look like an old Ferrari. And we got this car right here. The motorcycle. I gotta show you the ones that I sent to my friend. And we got this one. This car look like it was using Fast and Furious. Right here. This look like a car that would be at a parade. What y'all call it? A parade. Tight. Alright. I'm gonna show some more videos about cars. Alright, I'll see you later. Bye-bye. This car that I was calling a Goofy it's a Hot Wheels car. Look like one. Hold up, chap. Hold up. I found the Snoop Dogg car over here. It look like a Snoop Dogg car. I'm gonna try to find it. Gotta look down. 6, 7. They got Goku. We got these. We got Goku.
They got Super Saiyan 4.
And we got
Gohan, Goten.
they a Dragon Ball Z car. Ooh, Caleb, look. We got this in the top. And we got this. We got Frieza. Alright guys, that's it. And then the video, I'm gonna end the video with one more car.